There we go. Oh, okay. Baby seal. That's a cute name. So we're gonna have a Sicilian. Gonna try an old favorite of mine, the dragon. Bishop d3, that's not the way I usually play against the dragon, but Bishop d3 is never bad. It's just that it may not be critical. Yeah, knight f3. Again, not bad, but my opponent is putting very little pressure on my position. I get very nice development, and I will have a comfortable game. So many ways to go. There's bishop g4. I can go a6 followed by b5. Knight d7 is an option. b6 is an option. Guess I'll go for the simplest one, which is bishop g4. It's not massively ambitious, but again, keeping it simple. Now, if I do get the chance, I will very seriously consider taking on c3. Yeah, bishop b5 is a very strange move. Just provoking knight d4, which I think is something I want to play anyway. Queen d3. Yeah. Knight e5 is a little bit too cheap. I'm not going to do that. So, knight c5. My opponent still hasn't done anything particularly wrong, so he's quite okay. But the trend is definitely in my favor. That was a Freudian slip. I didn't actually intend to say trend. Intended to say trend. But there we go. Yeah, maybe I should have taken the bishop, but it also felt good to keep these tricky knights in sort of half dangerous positions. So if knight e4, then bishop f7 prevents me from winning a pawn, and after rook f7, rook e4, it's not that clear what I have achieved. So I'm just gonna keep the tension. It's almost never a bad idea. This, however, is a bad idea, because now I'm winning a pawn for free. And it could very well be that, yeah, no, unfortunately, baby seal has lost the thread, and I'm just winning. And now it's going to be a full queen. So this game should be over fairly soon. And that's mate. Okay, thanks.